Hi, I'm Kim from HiGrade. Welcome to this tutorial video on the potency feature. This video will instruct you on how to instantly test THC levels using your HiGrade scope. First, launch the HiGrade app. Grab your HiGrade scope and make sure it's properly aligned over the rear-facing camera on your phone. Take your sample in one hand. Make contact between the sample and the HiGrade scope. Tap on the center of the screen to focus on your sample. Then, snap a photo. Pick a new location on your sample. Tap to focus, and snap another photo. Repeat this step one more time. The HiGrade app requires 3 photos of your sample from 3 different locations to accurately gauge the potency and account for in-flower variability. After you are done, the app will display the percentage of THC within a few seconds. It will also ask you to enter the strain name. After entering the name, the app will display valuable information about your bud's characteristics, effects, flavors, and more. Finally, you can choose to share your results on social media by tapping the share button.